How to make vertical text in Canva. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva. You don't have any editing tools to directly turn text vertical. You need to add the text. Simply go and add the text, and after a letter, simply click on enter. Suppose I want to do this vertical, so before or after A, I'll press enter. Again after D, I'll press enter. Again after D, press enter. And like this, do same with all the alphabets and your text will be vertical. That's how to make vertical text in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.